just to follow up on the Saab video, this is a complete unit that we've replaced here. Do not get fuel on these O-rings if you're reusing them because they swell. And humidity, I don't know what to say. Put them in the bag and suck the air out, I don't know, but don't get WD-40 obviously, but these O-rings just seem to swell with time in the atmosphere in summer and fuel. And yeah, spring pressure's down, but you can see here, you know, how light this tank is. I mean, it's got fuel in it too. I've got, pick it up with one hand. Brilliant. So yeah, to follow up, you know, like I didn't mention there's a strip here over the fuel filter to give you access to the nut, but you can see now, you know, you don't need to start playing around up here. It's very GM, and these sleeves come out of the tank, so beware. Okay, one goes here, okay, and one goes here. That's to protect it from splitting. It just came out. Now it's extremely tight to put in. It's pressed in, but I don't know how it just fell out. So weirdo. And you can see here how these clips work. Okay, all of them are the same. So you can put a very thin flat screwdriver in from this direction, okay, and a little hook one there, and open it, but always push the other line in first, flick them open and pull it out, and it's silicone all the way. This car had a lot of mud and debris, which is understandable. I mean, it keeps falling down just on its own from up here, so there's a lot of stuff going in your eyes. I did get fuel in my eyes, believe it or not. Where was it from? I can't remember. A bit of fuel just went flying out and went straight into my eye. So lucky I know my way out of this bay, straight to the tap to flick the water up. But had it been both eyes, so yeah, wear protective eyewear. And these are the two things that break and get destroyed. Okay, but in the past, this was not the system, I believe. Okay, years ago, we could not source this top bit that snapped off. So this is obviously inferior quality, whatever, but whatever, look at the car. I mean, the car, you know, what more can you do? They're getting very difficult to get parts for. So there's a fuel strap, so beware, see? That was done before videoing to just help you guys. So yeah, you could see, you know, foreign debris, lost washers, the fuel sleeves falling out, you know, but it's definitely one of the better jobs to do compared to that Focus I made a video on. Look, some cars are worse than others, but generally it's basically the same procedure. Many cars you can go in from the top. Don't forget the handbrake cable, be gentle, and you know, this likes to get caught in this subframe in here. There's a cavity and it can snap it off, so these do snap off there as well. I've seen that many cars with those bits glued on for the evap. Anyway, hope that helps. Bye.